Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something that's becoming increasingly important for developers and startups, especially those building products fast but who still want control in the long run. We're going to compare OGAN AI with two popular backend platforms, Supabase and Firebase. But more importantly, we'll talk about how OGAN AI offers something completely different, full code ownership with no vendor lock-in. If you've ever used Firebase or Supabase, you know they're great at helping you get started quickly. You can set up authentication, database access, file storage, all of that in just minutes. But here's the catch. Most of your backend logic lives inside their ecosystem. You don't see the actual source code behind it. You can't easily move it or customize it deeply. And if you ever want to switch platforms or self-host your backend, good luck. It usually means rebuilding everything from scratch. That's what we call vendor lock-in. And it becomes a real issue once your project starts to grow. OGAN AI flips that model completely. Here's how it works. You build your backend using no-code tools, either through a visual schema editor or even just by describing what you want in natural language. But once it's created, you get the full backend as open, editable source code. Let me say that again. Every project you create with OGAN AI is delivered to you as real code, not just a configuration file or export. It's actual backend logic, written, structured, and ready to host, edit, or integrate anywhere you like. You can self-host it. You can customize it with your own code. You can plug it into any infrastructure. You can even integrate AI agents, and you never have to worry about losing control or rebuilding from scratch. Let's walk through some quick comparisons with Firebase and Supabase so you can see the difference clearly. First, no-code building. Firebase has limited support. Supabase has none. OGAN AI offers a full visual builder and even prompt-based creation using AI. For real-time data, all three support it. Firebase uses WebSockets. Supabase uses Postgres, triggers, and channels. OGAN AI supports real-time database and API updates without needing WebSocket setup. In terms of authentication and roles, all three platforms offer strong auth. But OGAN AI adds session awareness and fine-grained role controls out of the box. File storage is another area they all cover, but OGAN AI links files directly to session context and user control. Filtering is important too. Supabase supports GraphQL-like querying. OGAN AI does the same, using URL-based filtering and query logic. Firebase does not support this natively. What about self-hosting? Firebase makes this nearly impossible. Supabase allows it, but requires DevOps effort. OGAN AI is built for self-hosting from the ground up. Code ownership, neither Firebase nor Supabase gives you access to the backend logic, but OGAN AI delivers 100% of your backend source code. It's yours to keep. And one more thing that sets OGAN AI apart. Native support for AI agent integration. You can define prompts, use Amazon Bedrock or OpenAI models, and build real intelligent automation into your backend. So why does this matter? Because as a startup founder or developer, you need to move fast, but you also need flexibility. With OGAN AI, you're not locked into someone else's roadmap. You own the stack, every part of it. You can start with zero code and end up with a backend you fully control. And if you want AI automation, it's already built in. You're not stitching together multiple tools just to make a chatbot or smart system. It's part of the platform. If you're tired of platforms that give you speed but no freedom. If you want a backend, you can actually own, modify, host, or migrate on your own terms. And if you're building something ambitious that needs full control down the line, then you should definitely check out OGAN AI. It's fast, it's flexible, and most importantly, it's yours. Glad you joined us.